Trust now, or you will regret later. Welcome to your solo podcast where we talk about self-development, fitness, getting girls, becoming a man, relationships, and life generally. Your solo podcast for your victory. So, today's topic is self-confidence. Self-confidence is, in my opinion, reason number one for succeed or for failure. And why do I believe in it? Very simple. When you don't believe in yourself, that you can do it, that you can achieve it, then you cannot do it. When you believe that you are a loser, then you are a goddamn loser. I believe in this because it's my own experience. My own experience in my 29 years that I'm living in this world now. And to be honest, I could already be a millionaire. I could be a musician, an actor, a successful YouTuber, and 100% for sure I could be a crypto millionaire. And the only reason why I'm not anything of those things is because I never learned to believe in myself. I never had self-confidence. And of course I can look for a lot of excuses now why I didn't have self-confidence in the past or why I didn't learn it. But reason number one why a little boy never learned to believe in himself is because there are no men around him that can teach him those kind of things. It's like with a lion. When a baby lion wants to hunt, a big lion has to help him, has to show him, has to teach him how to hunt. Without those teaching lessons, he will not be able to hunt and to survive. And that's the same here. And this is a big problem that I see in our society, that in the modern relationships between men and women, they separate very fast. So the kids, they are growing up, most of the time they are growing up by their mothers. And let's say you're a little boy, you have no father, and maybe you're a lonely kid or only kid, I don't know how to say it in English, but you have no brother also, you have no big brother, you have no father, maybe you have no grandfather, and you have really no man around you. How can you learn to become a man? How can you learn to believe in yourself? Your mother cannot teach you those things. So then you never learn it, and then there come the time where you turn 29 years old and you realize that you are not this what you could be. And the only reason why you're not there where you could be is because you're a pussy. And when I say you're a pussy, then I'm not say it in a negative way. For me, a pussy is someone who is not believing in himself, who has no self-confidence. So when you don't want to look back at the first part of your life and regret anything, then learn to believe in yourself. Learn the skill of self-confidence. It will help you immensely. I don't want to say that you should not listen to other opinions, to experience from other people. Listen to those things. Listen to your teacher, listen to your mother, listen to your father. Listen to your mentor. It's important not to close your eyes and close your ears, because at the end, nobody is perfect and nobody knows everything. That's a fact. But at the end, you have to do your own decision. Nobody of those people can do the decision for you. And when you made your decision, stay with this decision and have the confidence that the decision you made is right. And maybe it's not right for the other person. Maybe it's not right for your mother. Maybe it's not right for your father. Maybe it's not right for your friends. But it's for you. When it's for you right, then it's okay. This is the only thing that is important. And this is self-confidence. To believe that you made the right decision. And to be confident to stay with this decision. Because at the end, the only truth that is important is the truth that you wear inside of you. Your truth is the only truth that counts at the end. And doesn't matter who is telling you something else, doesn't matter if he's a doctor, doesn't matter if he's a professor, doesn't matter if it's your father, your mother, doesn't matter if it's me. Also my experience doesn't matter, my opinion doesn't matter for you. You can hear it, but no more. Your truth is the only truth that is countable. And the problem is why it's so important to stay with this truth when you made it is because when you not stay with this truth, there will always come external factors that will confuse you. When you're not confident enough, external factors will come and they confuse you. And after this, you start to think new about it and you start to change your decision. And what happened when you change your decision? When you change your goal, your vision, your decision that you made today, when you change it tomorrow, then you have another goal. And when you change it the day after tomorrow, your goal the day after tomorrow is another goal than your goal tomorrow. And your goal tomorrow is another goal or another opinion that you have today. And the problem is that when you change all the time everything, you will never reach anything. You will always stay at one point and there is no movement, because all the time when you made a decision and you want to keep going, there's something from external, a new opinion, a new truth, and this new truth is stopping you from the next step. So you stay, rethink about it, and you say, oh, maybe I should go in this way. And then you want to go on this way, and there's the next better opinion and saying, oh, stop, maybe think new, maybe you should go on this way. And then you say, oh, okay, then I go on this way. And then you change, or every time you change your opinions. And what happened? You will never start to keep going. You will never stop, and you will never reach anything. And the other person on the other side who is asking themselves one time who I am, what I want, listen to other opinions. This person takes time to ask those questions and then make a decision. And this person stay with this decision. It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter which person, which external factors are coming. This confident person is staying with this truth that he made. And this person will reach his goal instead of the other person who will always stay at the beginning. So that's it. I hope you understand everything what I said. I'm not a native speaker. I tried my best. When you have some opinions about this, let me know in the comments. Give me a like, give me a share. I hope you will work on your confidence now, because like I said, in my opinion, it's one of the most important skills that you need when you want to succeed in any kind of life situation. Doesn't matter in which. With these words, I wish you everything good from my heart. Hope to see you soon, and ciao ciao.